Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the translate option to your iPhone keyboard using the Gboard so that you can type and translate directly while chatting or texting. In order to do it, you need to simply download and install Gboard in your iPhone device. After installation, you need to simply open your Gboard app and it should look something like this. Now here tap on the setup Gboard option and it will show you how you can set it up. So tap on the get started option. Now it will redirect you in your settings. Over here tap on the keyboards option, then you need to simply turn on Gboard. So tap on the toggle button right next to Gboard and it will be turned on. Underneath it you will see the allow full access option as well. So tap on the allow full access, then tap on the allow option. So you need to do this basic setting over here. So once you have given all of the permissions to the Gboard, it simply means that you have allowed it to provide you the translation option. Now you need to open any of the application where you want to type, like WhatsApp, Instagram or Notes. For example, let's say I'm going to be typing or trying to use it in my WhatsApp application. So you need to come over here, then tap on this globe icon in the bottom left hand corner. If you just tap on it, you will see your Google Translate or your Gboard that will look something like this. Over here you need to tap the text field and you need to hold this globe icon in order to get the Gboard. Then you need to tap on this G icon in order to get access to the translation features. Over here tap on the translate option in the top, then tap on the detect language. Here you can type English and after that you need to select in which language you want to basically change it. Let's say I want to change it to Arabic language. Over here you can start typing. Let's say I type hi and then tap on the translate option in the bottom right hand corner. Now as you can see, it has translated that particular text into the language that I have selected, which in my case is Arabic. So now you can tap on the send option and it will come like this. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.